Hello guys, this is a weird time cause look at this. Oh my god, my screen is lagging. James, you can't.
Wait, is your microphone on?
Yes, it is. Like, turn it on.
Okay, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24,
25, 26, 27.
27.
This is
27.
This is even more than Gary can literally, handle. It's basically like
We're going to be pulling it with a presumably weaker Ralph.
Well, we are going down the hill. We're probably gonna get pushed by the trucks.
On, faster, faster, faster.
And then we're gonna literally go flying off a curve, cause it's so long when you cut, and we're gonna probably go lightning speed.
Let me in.
You are in on my screen.
Right. Speed.
Jeez!
Ahead.
27, more than Gary can pull.
And Ralph is pulling it with some struggle, but we're doing it.
It's probably because we have so many trucks, it's kind of lagging and we can't go fast. Okay.
Oh, Ralph is bouncing.
Yeah, he kind of bounced a little, which is worrisome. Like, we
can let all of this just roll down the mountain, right?
Wanna do that instead? Cause it's gonna take ages to get down to Ralph.
Yeah, let's just let it roll.
Hold on, I can't
delete Ralph.
My screen, hold on. Quickly! I think we might have needed to push.
Here we go. Yeah.
Okay. This is gonna be a long roller coaster. Up in the first curve.
Long roller coaster.
Woo!
Uh-oh.
Oh, this is gonna be worrisome. When we crash, we're probably gonna end the video since we don't know what else to do. But look at this!
I mean, 27 trucks. Can you believe that?
Now it's just freely since no Ralph. Oh, we might crash into that van which we left.
Oh, flip. I forgot about that.
Well, if we crash, hey, it was still fun literally rolling down with a flip and run.
I'm going to race the train.
Yeah, I think we're gonna win since it's kind of lagging and it's kind of going slow. But if this crash, it's gonna be probably so laggy. Well, that's a good idea. Let's race.
We need to get to that van before the trucks do.
Yeah, if we don't, everything's gonna explode. Literally, because this is so long.
Oh wait, you're following me, alright.
On my screen, I've literally passed you.
Yeah, you did.
By a long shot. And when we delete that van, we're gonna go back.
Where is that van?
I think it just railed on the curve. Oh, oh my god, the points you were on where you found that iron worth. I think those points were set like that.
I completely forgot about the point.
Luckily, I'm gonna probably be able to change them, and the van is probably gonna be in that siding. Yep, I see the van. Perfectly safe.
Perfectly safe, but our 27 trucks won't be unless we switch the track.
Boom! I switched the points quickly.
How about we just wait for the train?
No, it's pretty close. But, well, somehow that van
You know
didn't
what? We
derail.
got farther than I.
Somehow that van didn't derail when he went in that siding. Cool. I just can't imagine if somebody saw this, they're gonna just literally flip out. Cause look at this.
Is it just me or is the train slowing down?
Probably lag.
No, we're stopping.
I'm getting Ralph. Just right here.
I'll wait.
I'm gonna get Ralph. It's not far.
Okay, I'll wait. And if we stop again, then we'll just use one of the logging engines.
But we're probably not gonna stop since we're gonna be in Ralph and we're probably gonna go fast. I can just imagine somebody just, wandering upon that. Well, yeah, they're gonna probably flip out since a Ralph is pushing all of that 27 trucks. Normally it would be carried because of that much.
I'm just going to go to the front of this long train and guard it.
Yeah, do that. And now I have just arrived at the entrance of God's Keep.
Surely we broke some sort of record, right? Right?
Hopefully, I'm gonna probably search up on YouTube and Google if there's a record for trucks, and if it's lower than 27, we have broken a world record, buddy. And we've done that together, since we are doing this together.
Longest train in somewhere Wales.
I'm gonna probably give my video the title. This might be the longest train ever in Somewhere Wales. That's gonna be my title.
Hey dude, I hate to say it, but we made history!
Yes! Woo!
Because according to my sources, the longest train was about 2019.
We've beaten it?
No, it's just I found a YouTube video.
So we might have beaten it.
Yes!
We're going down in history in Somewhere Wales. Hopefully we get some kind of award. Probably not.
Probably not. Yeah, probably not. But it's still cool.
If we do get a reward, hooray!
So this train consists of covered 3 planks, rusty 3 planks, white 3 planks, coaches, and a brake van.
One brake van isn't enough to stop that entire train. They're gonna probably need 10.
10.
Probably.
Just add to the train. If you add like 9 more brake vans to that train, we'll have 37 cars.
Oh, we actually might have broken the record. And just to imagine that if
I heard your whistle.
I whistled now. I'm slowly going down since it's really laggy. I think that is why your game was lagging, because of all of these trucks up in God's Keep. This might be the reason why you kind of lag.
Okay, fortunately, there's only me, you, and another person on the server.
Oh, it's a guy which looks like Sketch. Well, has the face and hair.
Okay, slow down. Slow.
Like, look at this, guys. This might be longer than. This might be longer than kids, bruh.
I'm pretty sure it is.
And it's probably longer than from the logging mill too. Maybe even the port.
Just to see if we are correct, I am going to go on my friendly corporation Google. What is the longest train in Somewhere, Wales?
B greater than, less than B greater than Wales, less than B greater than Roblox Wiki, Random. The railway owns both the smallest and largest engines in Somewhere, Wales. What did it being the largest?
That has nothing to do with trains. You just explained the largest engines.
I think actually there is no record, maybe.
I think we've broken it.
Yeah, so broken or both of our screens are lagging. Like, when you see my recording, you can literally see. I think this is the most I have lagged before. This is probably the most I have ever lagged in a game.
I'm not lagging.
And I am. I'm literally I am going so slow on my screen.
Do you need me to drive WoW?
Yeah, sure. Let's switch sometimes. But I think it was just my imagination, but I actually think I was lagging. Or it might have been your crappy internet which made it look like that you're lagging. Well, on my screen at least. Hopefully it isn't in that siding.
This train is just so huge.
I'm gonna just go on the tracks and see if the points are correctly set in places. But when are we gonna literally end this recording? James,
What?
when are we gonna end the recording?
Either A, we get down to or B, the train derails.
Okay, I think it might be an hour long if we try to get to the port.
Okay, how about Kitsborough?
Okay, yeah, maybe that will be good. Yep, the points are good set here, and you're not going in the siding. Oh, the van did derail.
Okay, good, because... Huh?
You can't even see the end of your flippin' goods train.
Wait, did I derail?
No, on my screen you're perfectly moving.
Alright, good. Because you had me going for a second.
No, I was just saying that you probably can't even see the end of your, goods train.
I can't.
You can't.
Literally can't.
I was right.
Can only see up to the white cars.
Woo, bro, there's literally covered ones. Hold on, I'm getting an inch in my ear. There we go, much better. It's probably because I have these earphones on right now. Guys, if you can somehow learn which is the world record of how many trucks in Summer Wales, please tell it in the comments. Like, am I right, James?
Yeah.
Like, yeah, if you somehow find out the record, please tell us in the comments on James's video and on my video. Cause we need to know if we broke the record. If we did, oh, hallelujah.
But if we didn't, that's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. I guess this is kind of for fun, but if we did break it, hallelujah. You're kind of glitching you're kind of glitching and I can't really hear you, but you probably also said hallelujah. Guess what?
Said hallelujah.
Yeah, I definitely glitched. Okay, I'm gonna like check if the points are correctly set. Where are you right now?
Just came to the next slope, and I am about to send the train on its own again.
Okay. Okay, the points here are correctly set. I'm gonna stay here until the trucks get here, so I know that somebody won't come from the logging mill or from the other side.
Okay. It's only me, you, and 2 other people on this server.
Yeah, and they're probably at the town or the port.
Or maybe at Bootville.
Is that Eustace? There's a Eustace down here. Should I get him? So we can get more, pulling power?
Pulling power!
And of course
yes.
Okay. Then I'm gonna be in Eustace and you're gonna be in Ralph, and we're gonna take turns of who is, gonna be pushing or pulling down the goods train. This Eustace has a passenger.
Train is coming down.
Okay, hold on.
I don't know how fast I'm going.
Well, Ralph goes 30 and Eustace goes 31. At least I'm going to be facing forward when I'm going to be pulling that. Jeez. Eustace has such a big lamp. Like, it's enormous. It's bigger than our...
It is.
Yeah, it's literally bigger than our head. Maybe even our torso and arms. Jeez. Is it really that hard?
Big.
Like, why do you need such a big tail lamp? Wait, oh no, it's a front lamp. Okay, yeah, I still don't see the goods train in my sight.
I think in a minute.
Well, I'm now about to made it up well, I just left. Okay, I'm just going up this hill before I get on the tracks, which is not, way down to go. I don't see the trucks.
It's coming around the curve.
Around the curve, hold on, I'm reversing to see if I see them.
Don't reverse too far.
Hopefully I won't. Right now I don't see nothing. Oh, I see them! I'm gonna now try to couple to them.
Dude, no, don't do that! Don't do it! Don't do it! Don't do it! Don't do it! Go forward as fast as you can!
Well, they aren't really that fast. And
I learned from experience. I know how Roblox physics work.
Oh, so the entire train is gonna literally blow up?
Yep. It's only safe when the train stops.
Okay. I'm gonna probably wait so you can get to the points where you can go to the logging meal and just go back to the quarry. I'm gonna wait there and until the truck gets here, I'm gonna move because then I'm gonna know that nobody is gonna go on the points and all that. So I'm basically like guarding. Okay. Oh, I think I see the trucks. Wait, nope, that's just tracks. Sadly, I can't see the trucks. So let me see if I can like change this.
I think I see you. If that's not you, then that's a tree.
I'm jumping.
Yep, that's definitely you.
Huh, I don't see the trucks. I'm gonna reverse back up a little so if I can see where the trucks are. I'm gonna go really fast. Just up. Oh, they're really close. I think they've stopped.
No, they're still moving slowly.
Yeah, that's why I thought they stopped because they're slowly moving. And they've disappeared on my screen again.
Like they're gonna stop soon, though.
Oh, I see. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna go use the toilet real quick.
Okay, you go do that.
Oh my god, you didn't. Oh my god, you do not know how I literally was in a panic if I might be late, and then it crashes into me. But phew, I'm in time.
This is going a bit too slow for that.
Yeah, but I thought it was gonna get to like near me at least. Oh, and if Henry the Microwave is watching this, I just want to say sorry. I apologize.
Why are you apologizing?
To Henry the Microwave. But yeah, I did already apologize, but if he's watching this right now, I just want to say sorry. I apologize for, being kind of mad and you show me that inappropriate picture, but it's I probably shouldn't have joined your group, and I probably wouldn't have seen that. So if you're watching this, I just want to say sorry.
Okay.
No, what? I did have to apologize if you might watch this, but you probably won't watch all the way to this time. So I'm gonna probably, edit it, and so yeah. Okay, I'm starting to see the coaches now. Wait, does it matter if where we stop?
Going as slow as a snail.
Wait, does it even matter where we stop if we broke the record? Does it even matter? Does it matter where we stop?
I don't think so.
Oh, probably okay.
It's finally stopped.
Okay, I'm gonna couple to it then, and you couple on the back. And then we're gonna have more pushing power. I don't really see you.
I deleted Ralph. I deleted Ralph. I'm in one of the coaches.
Oh. Okay, everything's okay. Now we're gonna. What? My God, if just
That was a
somebody
bit of a
sees
slow.
Eustace pulling so long of a train, they're probably gonna literally be amazed. This is probably how much
Just
Eustace would
wanna
be
know
able
what the
to
record
pull.
is.
This is probably how much Gary would be able to pull if he was a standard gauge engine.
I wonder if Saltine could pull all this.
Probably not. Look at this. The way I just said not. My God. Well, at least we're going a little bit faster now.
Yeah, I'll admit, he is pretty fast. But not by much.
Maybe we can double head if you want.
With who?
With another Eustace. And
I
then
don't know
there's-
how that would speed things up.
well, it is kind of slow, and it is pretty hard to pull all that.
As soon as you get to the slope, delete Eustace.
Well, why? We can just, like, you know, go down.
But it's faster if we let it roll down. Have you realized that?
How I saw that, it literally went slower.
You see how slow we're going?
Yeah, but it's probably the same speed we went when the trucks were going, you know, freely.
No, we were going faster.
Fine, but then there's literally no engine. If we, you know, if the truck stopped, then there's literally no engineer. So that's why I think we
We
shouldn't
got a
delete
brake
Eustace.
van.
Brake van? What's
Yeah,
that
we
gonna
got
do?
a brake van on the back of the train.
No, I meant by pushing the well, we're not gonna be able to push the train, of course. But if the train, you know, just stops, because it might be, you know, like straight, then no, there's no engineer, you know, to give it a boost. So that's why I think we shouldn't delete Eustace.
Okay. I'm gonna tell people in the chat that we're coming.
With a really, really big good train. Oh, and but I think that person is AFK. But if he sees us in the chat, he's probably gonna flip out because we have so many cars. Oh geez, I'm actually starting to lag a little bit now.
And another player has joined the party. Great.
Oh, hopefully that the thing you said, well, hopefully he will see it.
Yeah. What's going on?
What?
Something went wrong with my speaker. It's good now.
Oh, okay. Jeez, it's so laggy, the bell doesn't even move when I click D. Jeez, that means we're really lagging.
The speaker went to static.
Oh, did you fix it?
Yeah, it's good now.
Okay, now we're speeding up a little bit. Now we're gonna go down a hill, it's gonna be a lot faster to go down. Hopefully those people will see your warning in chat and stop. Naturally, Eustace only has 2 wheels and he's literally pulling a 27 car goods train with only 2 wheels. Since he's a 040. Like seriously.
Yeah, he is an 040.
Yeah, I'm starting to learn a little bit more about engines every time I play. So, hey, that's good. I learned how to say wheeler regiments. So, yay. Okay, now we're gonna probably get some speed going down here. Jeez, it's so slow. I could just imagine when we're going down the hill, Eustace 10 will literally crash into the cab because it's just getting pushed by so many trucks. Oh god, this is gonna take for ages. And the video is gonna be... Yeah, and the video is literally gonna be longer.
Should we just end it all here?
Yeah, probably. We're gonna keep driving though.
Alright. Hey, this should be funny. Why don't we both say our outros at the same time?
I don't have an outro. Well, I do have an outro, but I don't even say nothing.
Oh.
Well, I can just say bye.
Bye. This is Black James Productions signing off, and and
Bye.
goodbye.